After sharing my top 3 US stock and Canadian stock to buy in the previous video, I realized that wait a minute. How can any of you start investing without opening an investment account? Movies love to show frenzied traders shouting orders on the floor of stocks exchange. But these days very few stocks trades happen this way. Today the easiest option is to buy stocks online through an online stockbroker. So which online stockbroker should you use? There's a lot to keep track of because there were just too many options. We got Virtual Broker, Wealthsimple, Interactive Broker, TD Direct Investing, Qtrade, Questrade, Trade, and Smash the Like Button Trade. And those are just the extent of what I can remember and say in one take. Anyways, now that I look into them, it has become very obvious that some of these are more significantly better than the others. Hello everyone, it's Cody here. So in this video, I will do my best to break down the top 3 online stockbroker in 2020. Not only in terms of making money, but also brokers that don't charge you a ridiculous fee for using their service. This type of video takes me a long time to make, so if this video is helpful to you, don't forget to smash the like button. If this is your first time on my channel is made to share about stock investing, personal finance, and real estate investing. If you are interested, please remember to subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell right next to it so you will never miss any video. With that said, let's get right at it. Online broker number 3. Wealthsimple. Wealthsimple Trade is the Canadian answer to the popular Robinhood app in the United States. Wealthsimple was founded in 2014. Back then it was one of the first online investing service that used technology to make investing simpler, smarter, and low cost. I feel like I grew with this company even though I never worked there. When I met with their general manager Jason Godelis back in 2017, I was pitching him my fintech startup idea. On the side, if anyone's interested in what I pitched to Jason, you can leave it in the comment section below. Anyways, Wealthsimple is best known as Canada's top Robo-advisor. What is Robo-advisor? The short answer is that Robo-advisor is a service that uses software to do the job of an investment advisor. Some people know that they should invest, but they don't know where to start. Then Robo-advisors are a type of financial advisors that funnel your investment into a predetermined portfolio, aligned with your investment goals. You will have to pay a management fee for Wealthsimple Basic and Wealthsimple Black at a 0.5% on your first $100,000 and 0.4% above $100,000 respectively. Now I know most of you who are watching my video are more interested in direct investing for yourself. So let's talk about Wealthsimple Trade, which debuted in 2019. You can buy and sell stocks and ETF trading on any North American exchange free of charge. And there is no annual fee. Also, Wealthsimple Trade doesn't charge an account minimum fee, so you can open an account for free and it's easy to set up. This is ideal for new investors who want to make smaller frequent contributions without getting hit with trading fees for each transaction. Many of you might be wondering, how does Wealthsimple make money? It's free of charge. What's the catch? Wealthsimple Trade primarily makes money from 1.5% currency conversion fee. Also, Wealthsimple makes money just like other big banks. They charge you an interest when you borrow money to trade. And when your money is sitting idle in the account, they will lend you money out to other investors to earn interest. Its customer service is solid with phone and email extended beyond regular business hours on weekdays. It sounds pretty good, isn't it? However, these are some of the setbacks for Wealthsimple Trade. Even though it's free on trading, it also only offers a service on mobile trading. For people like myself who like to smash the like button on my iPhone 10, then you don't have a problem. But if you would like to have multiple charts and have a lot of information presented to you all in one screen, this might not be the best option for you. Also, it's worth mentioning that Wealthsimple has not yet supported RESP, margin accounts, and some other accounts in the picture. Overall, if you need some guidelines to start investing but don't want to deal with a human investment advisor, then Wealthsimple Robo-advisor could be a good option. If your attitude is the less fees the better and you don't mind using your smartphone for DIY trading, then Wealthsimple Trade could be a good choice for you. Online stockbroker number 2, Questrade, and also one of the most popular investing platforms on the Canadian market in 2020. Pros. What sets Questrade apart from Wealthsimple is their research. Questrade offers both fundamental and technical analysis tool on the market intelligence and intraday trader. Market intelligence is powered by third-party research provider Morningstar. Morningstar is the leading research data provider for online brokers. Meanwhile, Intraday Trader is a trade ideas generator that uses automated technical analysis algorithm to present actionable opportunities. Pay transfer fees. When switching to Questrade, some financial institution might charge you a transfer fee. Don't worry, Questrade will reimburse transfer fees up to $150 per account. In terms of commission and fees, Questrade offers two pricing plans for trading stocks, options, and ETFs. The default democratic pricing for a long-term investor and Questrade Advantage for active traders. Under demographic pricing, regular stock traders are charged 1 cent per share, with the minimum charge of $4.95 and a maximum charge of $9.95. On the other hand, under the Questrade Advantage program, investors must subscribe to at least one event's market data offering, then select between the variable and fixed rate pricing plan. For trading stocks, the cost is 10 cents per share with 1 cent minimum and $6.95 maximum under the variable plan, or a flat $4.95 per trade under the fixed plan. For the majority of the investor, the standard Questrade democratic pricing is the best deal. Questrade offers two primary trading platforms, IQ Web and IQ Edge. While both platforms are similar in overall functionality, IQ Edge provides a deeper offering of trading tools and customization, and certainly the preferred platform for active trader. To run out Questrade's trading tool, the broker also provides its Questrade mobile app. Questrade offers an easy account setup process, just like Wealthsimple. Questrade has above average customer service. The Chat with Us feature is especially handy, allowing investors to type an instant chat with Questrade representative. Questrade supports a variety of account types, from traditional margin to retirement, and even accounts that Wealthsimple had not yet support. Now that being said, even though Questrade has no annual fee for all accounts, investors should maintain at least $1,000 Canadian in their account to avoid a Questrade $24.95 per quarter inactivity fee. Other exclusions related to individuals who are under the age of 25 or entities operating as a charitable organization. If you are operating a charitable organization, you can simply help out Cody by leaving a comment below with investing now, and share this to any of your friends that might benefit from this video. Also, Questrade offers data and research service for Canada's active trading population. U.S. citizens can also open an active trading account, but Questrade doesn't support U.S. retirement accounts. Overall, for Canadian residents, Questrade provides a well-rounded trading experience with two trading platforms to accommodate casual and active traders. Questrade clients have access to transparent competitive pricing, as well as the ability to trade equities, options, ETFs of companies based locally or in the U.S. With its low fees and easy-to-use DIY trading platform, it's perfect for Canadian couch potato portfolio followers. Last but not least, making a video like this one is taking me a lot of time and effort. So if you decide to open a Questrade account after watching this video, don't forget to use the link in the description and it will benefit you as well. Online stockbroker number 1, Interactive Broker. Interactive Broker was founded in 1978 and is one of the biggest US-based discount broker. This is the online stockbroker I'm currently using on a daily basis. I did not start with Interactive Broker from day one, and it's a bit overwhelming for beginners. I eventually grew into IB as I became more active and more serious about day trading and investing. Here are my pros and cons for IB. Pros: low commission fee. Interactive Broker offered two primary pricing plans: IBKR Lite for casual investor and IBKR Pro for professionals. With IBKR Lite, there are no inactivity fees, no minimum balance fee, or data fees. All US stock and ETF trades are at $0. If you're a casual investor, it's hard to beat the free trades you'll enjoy with IBKR Lite. But even advanced traders who opt for IBKR Pro will like the low stock and ETF commission structure at Interactive Brokers, which favors frequent high-volume traders at just $0.005 per share. There's a $1 minimum trade commission, and exchange and regular fees are all included. Rates can go even lower for truly high-volume traders. Options trading too is offered at competitive pricing for both Pro and Lite customers. With a $1.25 charge per contract, the minimum option trade commission is $1.50 per order. Fractional trades, the ability to purchase a portion of company stock rather than the full price share, makes it easier to invest in companies that have a lofty share price. That in turn makes it easier to maintain a diversified portfolio, especially for an investor with a smaller account. For example, rather than paying more than $245 for one share of Apple, you can divvy up that money among different companies. Desktop and mobile platform. Interactive Brokers offers this desktop-based trader workstation, TWS, with the most variety of trading tools. Trading tools with TWS designed for seasoned traders are such as Market Scanner, Strategy Builder, Portfolio Builder, to just name a few. I know it looks intimidating, but the truth is it's really quite complex. Texts such as pulling up a stock to trade are tricky. However, thanks to its mobile trading app, Interactive Broker cumbersome desktop experiences thrown aside to its mobile version. It offers watch lists, orders, trades, scanners, alerts, portfolio news and market briefs, and simplified option trading. One terrific feature that was added a couple years ago and is expanding constantly is IBK or iBot service, powered by artificial intelligence engine that answers questions asked in plain English. I've been using IB mobile version for over 1 year now, and I'm very happy that I can execute all my trades with my iPhones. I don't have to carry my old simple day trading setup around. Besides, the iBot is the cutting edge AI assistant. A human IB customer service could be readily reached at their customer service. Account type. IB not only offers the individual registered and non-registered account, it also offers a corporate account and family account where you can manage other people's money. However, there are still some drawbacks with Interactive Broker. First, the extremely complex desktop trading platform might deter a lot of beginner traders. The learning curve could be steep for investors who do not have prior experience. I think using the mobile app could be a good option if you don't need the multiple charts presented to you all at once. Second, while IBKR Lite does not charge an activity fee, there is an activity fee charged on IBKR Pro. Accounts with a balance of $100,000 or less must meet a minimum of $10 a month in trade commission. Accounts with an equity balance of $2,000 or less must meet minimum trade commission of $20. Third, complicated account opening process. It takes about 1 to 3 days to set up an individual account, and more time to set up other registered or corporate accounts. To sum it all up, Interactive Broker has always been a great choice for active traders, especially those who can move into the broker's cheapest volume pricing setup. Now, with the availability of free trades of IBKR Lite, even casual traders might find an Interactive Broker a strong contender. But beginner investors might prefer a broker that offers a bit more hand-holding and educational resource. Even though Bank's investing platform is not one of the top 3 online stockbrokers, it's worth mentioning some of the most important reasons why sometimes it might still make sense to invest through your primary bank. Number 1, higher trading costs. While there isn't a set standard of bank trading price, you can assure that it won't be as competitive as discount broker. Number 2, less impressive trading platform. Banks are not in the business of putting together a powerful trading platform for you. On the other hand, investing through your primary bank's self-direct trading platform can offer you the key benefit of having all your account in the same application, which is really beneficial, especially combined with the ease of transferring funds in and out of account. To sum it all up, if you're willing to pay a higher fee with the ease of service and transferring funds, then you could just go ahead and trade through your primary bank. So with all the information I covered today, here are the takeaways when you're making your choice of the best online stockbroker for you. The first thing would be know the type of account you want to open and make sure it's available through the online stockbroker. Second, does the broker offer the investment that you would like to invest in? Lastly, try to estimate how often you will be making trades. Then you can choose the best cost-effective online broker for you. My personal recommendations are Wealthsimple for autopilot investing, Questrade for beginning trading, who wants to pick stocks in their own self-directed accounts. And if you are more serious about investing or trading, then open up an account with Interactive Broker. But make sure you weigh the option for yourself before you make the decision. If you make it this far in the video, I really appreciate you watching. I hope all the information helps you all make a more informed decision on your best online stockbroker. So if you like this video, make sure you destroy the like button below, subscribe and click the notification bell so you'll never miss any other video like this one. And I often update my Instagram and Facebook so you can follow me there as well. See you next time.